What's up, guys? ZR Chess here. We are going to go ahead and just start playing some games, see where we get. See if there's a tournament we can join here. That could be fun. Hop in weather arenas. English opening blitz. That's interesting. What time does it start? Alright, we're in the middle of a couple of these. Ultra bullet, no thank you. Is that quartz? 25 seconds? No, that's not me. Anti-chess. Chess 960. 3-check. 3-check is fun. I'm gonna play 3-check. Let's jump in on this. You know what? No. We'll leave. Go and get out. Let's just play some regular chess. 10-0 rapid. How about that? Okay. Alright, good luck. Let's play. So here, I'm gonna go ahead and... Oh, he aborted it. Okay. New opponent. I didn't play quick enough for him. Both 1900 level players here. Looks good. Okay, let's play London. So it's fun. I love London. Up and out. If you don't know London, it's a really good opening. He's gonna try to push this and then push here if he wants. Yeah, there's no danger there yet. He just blocked a square for his knight is all he's really done. Okay, bringing him out. Sure. Let's go ahead and keep the London going. I think is going to be our best move here. Trying to think. Queen over here doesn't do anything. I need to go ahead and castle. I think I'm going to castle kingside. This looks good for kingside. He might even be castling queenside, it looks like. If he castles queenside, then I'm definitely castling kingside, because then we got a pawn storm coming. So let's go ahead and bring this bishop out, center ground. He's still going to try this, I think, but does it work? Here, takes. No, it doesn't work. It doesn't work for him. But it is kind of iffy. I don't really like that. Pulling this out. Probably waiting to see what I do for castle-wise. This might be a dangerous move if that knight wasn't here, I guess. Yeah, it would win the rook, because check. If the knight's not here, he's got to protect here, and then takes. But that knight's annoying. I'd love to get up my knights in this game. I guess I could go ahead and castle kingside. Nothing wrong with that. Pawn storm queenside. That should work out well. Yep, I castle kingside. Here comes pawn storm. He's going to castle queenside, looks like. Not sure what the point of that move was. We'll start moving this way. And yes, I'm fine with this. And takes, and then I've got a semi-open file. Trying to think what else. Looking good here. Now I can just take this. If he takes back, we trade rooks. He's got his queen over. That allows me to take this pawn, so that wins this pawn. It looks like, if we do all this, which we are. Cool. And then he dropped a bishop, it looks like. Looks sketchy. Did he drop a bishop? So I take the bishop, he goes here, and then I go here with check, and I'm out. Yeah. Yeah, oh wait. I'm thinking that's a queen. Not enough coffee, apparently. Let's get up in here. I'd love to push a pawn up here and defend this. But for now, let's do this. This looks good. Yeah. I need to get my queen out so that I can get my rook over. I'd rather my queen be over here on this side, though. I suppose... Yeah, I could have taken this pawn last time, I guess. Knight. This knight here is just a pain in the butt right now. I might want to open up the center. Let's pull this rook out. Yeah, you can go ahead and take that file. That should be alright. I'm gonna push center here. Push for center control. Interesting. This is no longer protected, which is good. Well, there's also takes, and pushing forward. I don't know, there's a lot going on here. But I need to do something because I'm running out of time. You know. Let's step it here. Protect the pawn. Yeah. So also pushing this pawn here doesn't look the best. At this point, is my white bishop even doing anything? Shouldn't I just trade? And I've got to open a file. You know what? Yeah. Give me that open file. That's beautiful. Normally I wouldn't want to trade my white bishop, but that worked out really well. Now that clouds my file again. Let's do this, attack this pawn. You might move the knight. I feel really good about this. I can even bring my rook here. No, I cannot. Not yet, because that mate threat. I need to push this up. Yeah, he did that. Sure. I really want this pawn gone. Oh no. All right. So now I can do this since that knight's gone. Threatening to trade, which isn't really a threat, because I don't think I'm gonna trade. Just a good outpost. Outpost for anything. Actually, my bishop looks better there. Plus, again, threats here. I mean, this isn't mate because my knight can come here, but it's certainly not good. It's not ideal. I really want this pawn. Excuse me. Before we get too crazy, let's provide a way of escape for my king if I get in trouble, or if I want to use my rook. This knight's not in a good position. It'd be better one of these places. So we could go 1, 2, and then what? Here, need to be up here. I don't know. There's a lot to do there. This knight's just awful. You go there and there. Might not be so. It's not good. It's not good. I'm running low on time too. So let's go actually here. So from here I can go here and double attack this pawn. I think that's the best way to go. He might push there, which would be really annoying. Want to trade queens. Do I have an option? I mean, I guess I better. Any other move would have just been subpar. He'll go there and protect. Now that he has to save file, it's really annoying. Back then it didn't matter. Now that's really annoying. We're in an end game. I need to start moving like it. Yeah. I'm gonna push again. I'll just come up. Oh, okay. This takes. I don't want to do that. Do all that jazz. Let's do that. Oh, how annoying. How annoying. I need to stay outside the pawn chain. I don't want to get mixed up in that garbage. My position is just falling apart. Alright, let's just push. Takes a pawn, I push a pawn. I know, I should have protected that, but I don't know. What would you do here? This is not a good position for me. Black is way better here. That's really annoying. I'm gonna... that's annoying. That's gross. I can't stop the promotion. Yes I can. Yes I can. I don't like it. It's not good. Now that pawn's gonna lose. Oh, even worse. Okay. King's gotta get in the battle. No other option. King and knight. What's my knight doing? Nothing, that's what. He wants to go here. Can't stop him. I cannot stop him. If I go knight here, he goes here, and then I go here. I mean, that's probably my best chance. If you can call it a chance, my knight's tied up protecting this pawn, or against this pawn. This is just bad. Jeez. I can't get around with my king, that's the problem. Turn this check, back him up. And then bring my king here, and then maybe actually capture this. Yeah, obviously I first need to get my knight out the way. With check, he'll come in, and so will I. This is feasible. This is hopefully savable. This game is no longer savable. That's game. I have to move back, and then he takes the bishop. Yep, good game. I'll rematch with you if you want. Alright, that was embarrassing. Rough. Let's try this again. Am I going Sicilian? You know, I've been liking the Stafford Gambit lately. Let's try that. If I can pull it off, we'll see. And if he does it, I mean, captures the pawn. Otherwise, we might get into a 4 knights, which is fine. Yeah, I'm good with 4 knights. I don't play this very often, I gotta say. This is sometimes fun. The question is, do I know what I'm doing? Is a no. I'm just throwing words out here right now. I'm past my theory. I'm out of theory. Yeah, I'd love to trade that. Let's go and bring Bishop out. We'll come back here and hang out. And then pawn up and whatever. Because, yeah, that'll be a double attack. Might as well castle. Protect myself from what's coming in the future. Push this dude there. Start my attack. Excuse me. This actually makes the queen retreat. Or brings the knight retreat, yeah. Yeah, I don't hate that at all. Jeez. Could pop up there. Kind of ruins my king side a little bit, but not kick the knight away. If the knight goes away and I trade, and it ruins his king side, even worse. So let's do that. Let's wreck his king side. Yeah, because he'll go to one of these, and then I trade, and he has to get rid of this middle piece. Was the plan until that. This still works though, because if I go here, he still has to run away. And if he comes up, I bounce down. That would work, I guess, but then he's still running his king side anyway. Okay. I kind of have an in-tune bishop here, but I think I came out even on that with the way his king side looks right now. Plus this pawn's pinned, so I could come in here with a knight, which is what I would love to do, or my queen, ideally. Which takes, and then queen comes in. Well, yeah, I gotta get rid of this thing. Gotta get rid of that numbskull. That's dangerous. Threatening to sack the knight to get a check in and hopefully mate soon. Oh, that was really not advisable for white, I don't think. Got me past. He can take here, but if I take here, he sees it now. This is no longer pinned. Gotta keep that in mind. There's this move, which presents a heck of a threat. It's gonna be hard for him to block. I might have to go there. And then I just take this pawn. I'm fine. Yeah, this worked out well for me. What's that move? What's that supposed to do? Attack my knight, I guess. That attacks my knight. It might be worth spending a move to go there, there, and here. If he trades knights, I trade here, and I got the queen and bishop locked out pretty well. I don't think that's an issue. Here, he takes the knight. And that it kind of falls apart. My attack falls apart. That's the last thing I want right now. I think I need to do this so I can bring my king up and bishop or rooks over. I think I have to. I could also do this. And if he takes, I take with the bishop, threatening more. I don't think so yet. I think that's what I'm doing first. If he takes the knight, I take back. Just keeping this queen blocked. She goes there now. Try to get in. Yeah. But then when I come here and here, that's really going to be hard for him to hold on to, I think. I mean, where's she going to go, though? She's going to try to trade that with me. She might try to trade that with me. Trade queens. That would be ideal for him or her or whatever. What do I do against that? Didn't do it. Perfect. There we go. Here's my answer. Doesn't matter. Because we're hopping in. Okay. So now I'm here. And you can't do that. You can't bring your queen here anymore, trade. That was the deal of me for white, I think. This queen here, trade queens, but he missed it. So doubling up here. It's extremely dangerous for white. But it's not enough. It's not enough. I'm gonna need to push these pawns, get this out of the way so I can bring my bishop here. I think that's the only thing that's gonna crack it. I can also do this to kick this queen away. But then I need to put that bishop in a place. Where that place is, I don't know. What's that for? Come out here and attack or something? So if I take, takes, we trade everything. It's not good for me. So yeah, that's cool. I need to somehow protect this square so I can take it. Actually, no. Doesn't do anything. This does, though. This does. Puts another attack on this pawn. Very nice. If he ever moves this pawn, I'm trading. No doubt he's in a lot of trouble. 1, 2, 3, 4 attackers. 1, 2, 3 defenders on this pawn. So that'd be mate. Ish. This bishop's okay. Okay. So I got a couple options. I can just go ahead and take this and start this, or I can take the knight. If he takes me, then this starts. No, it doesn't, because queen. So let's take this. Yep. You lost now. That's the game. Alright, 1-on-1. Both one is black. It's fun. Good game, sir. He hasn't seen it yet, I guess. Good game. Alright, that's 2 out of 3. I'm white again. Here we go. Alright. Alright, let's do something weird. See if it catches them off guard. Blackmar Gamer Gambit. A lot of high level players don't play this. A lot of people think it's not sound or whatever. So I like playing it against them. Yeah. I've got an open file, no biggie. I'm not casting queenside anymore, but that's cool. It's interesting. I haven't seen that before. Still with the knight. Holy crap. Wow, I've never seen this. I have never seen this played against me before. He's destroyed my whole Blackmar Gamer Gambit. So he knows it. He apparently knows it better than I do. My only hope now is that he's overextended and I can come in and mate him quick, otherwise this game's already over. Which I would need to get up in here. So... Hey, what's up? Oh. Stay. Just about. I'll be done in a minute, boy. Okay. Okay. Here, and then check. Then backing up. And takes. I'm putting all my eggs in one basket here for this mate. Have to. This is a Hail Mary. Knew that was coming. Take my bishop. And then that. Not taking my bishop. Not taking the bishop. So that. Do this all day. Let me move. This is bad, bad, bad. I gotta have some sort of attack here, this is over. I think this might already be over. He's a rook and 2 pawns, and my king side's demolished. I would be attempting a mate, threatening a mate if it wasn't for this knight. This is gross. I'm just gonna go here. I don't mind going here. Well, if the knight does get traded, then he's still gonna go here. I would assume that'd probably be his best move. Blocking my fight against that knight. If I can trade that knight off, I might not have much of a choice. Yeah. Then I'll have to throw something else at the knight. Really annoying. So the bishop takes, and what I have to be take his other knight, you know. But my queen's under attack, so I gotta do something. There's nothing good about this position for me. I gotta trade. Now he's got that threat here, which wins the rook. I need to come up here so that he doesn't take my rook. How did I get in such a terrible position? I wasn't paying attention. I thought I knew the Black Mardima Bandit better than him. Turns out I was wrong. Clearly. Okay. We could pin this. We could pin this knight. If he comes up though, I gotta move anyway again. I could come out from the other angle. Yeah, that's not bad. Something. Anything. Anything. Any counterattack I can have is threatening that. It's a big threat. That doesn't do anything. Doesn't buy me a turn. This takes, and then takes here. Mate. Not mate, but not mate. That's all that matters, right? At this point. That might even be worth it. Worth looking at. After that, there's that. That is, no, there's not. No, ignore me. I'll try that. Oh, I'll let my cat back out. There you go, mister. Well, I mean, I feel awful about this game, obviously, because I played terribly in the beginning, but considering how far I'm down, this ain't too bad. I have an attack. Yeah, it's about the best I can say about it. I have an attack. This rook's really not doing anything in my open file. He needs to come here. That way I can trade and maybe get an attack on the king. I got him cut off here with these swords, you know, whatever. He can't castle either side. Yeah, that was his only move. I like this. I like that. He might trade queens. He should trade queens, but playing this guy, he doesn't like to trade queens. There's a few times he should have traded queens. The last other 2 games he didn't. I think this guy's one of the ones who relies on his queens. Yeah, see, he's chess psychology right there, which I'm trying to get better at. I could sack the knight on e6, and then pawn takes, rook takes. Does that get me anywhere? After rook takes, king to d7 or f7, probably d7. After king d7, what do I have? Got queen d5, then king c8. No, I don't have queen d5 because black queen's on f3. I don't know. I don't think sacking the knight is the right move at this point. I don't know what the right move is. This might be a good move right there. This pawn's not doing anything. It's completely protected. Actually, it's not so bad a move either. Turning the fork. What's it protecting? Nothing. This is okay. Pawn can't take, it's pinned. Queen can't take because I take back and it's still pinned. Oh no. I'm in trouble yet. Everything's protected. And this is protected, so I don't really care about that pawn. Let's be honest, this game isn't making it to the end game. Someone's gonna get made in the middle game. It's probably gonna be me. But I feel like I'm holding my own alright. Okay, I'm getting low on time here. It's a heck of a move. Opening that up. There's check, and then bringing the queen in. Let him take. Oh no! He's gonna beat me on time. I take, he takes. I counter check. Nope. Here, no. Here. And then. And what? I'd love to be here. I can't. Doesn't matter what I'd love to be. Come on, get your head in the game. Looks okay. I've got a minute 36. This is just going downhill. So here, I guess. Yeah. Is that dangerous? No. Rook's protecting these 2 squares. Pawn's protecting here. He could check me over and over. We'll just get a draw. A draw for me right now would be pretty great. Okay. Jeez. Jeez. That's a good move. I know. I think it's about time I just surrendered. I'm not going to. We are going to throw everything we have here. No, that's just instant death. Alright. Let's do this. He's got so much more time to think than me. He's just gonna take with the queen. No, I didn't take with the queen. Alright, so here. No, this is rough. I got nothing. Good game. Dang, that hurt. That really hurt. Well, good game. Cowboy won. I gotta get off now. Before I get off, let's look at this. Let's analyze this. I want to know where this went wrong. So, Black Mardemer Gambit, right? Starting off fine. Takes. Okay, this is all theory, and then there. Which, I guess, is, kind of the whole point of what I'm trying to not let happen. So he goes ahead and does that, opens that up. And I went ahead and played here. I think this is the mistake I made, the first mistake I made at least. Should have just taken. And then what? I don't know. Development moves. He can't bring his queen out, so maybe he even does this, and then I go back, and this is okay. But I moved here, and pins it to my king. Now I wasn't paying attention. This queen could come out right here and just destroy me, so I took with the pawn. But if I had went here and he had tried this, yeah, it wouldn't have worked out so well, I don't think. There, and then he can't really push there. I just take, unless it's like that. And then, even then, I mean, my position's not great, but it's a whole lot better than what I had. What's the engine say in this position? Yeah, like I thought. Yeah, just take with the knight. That right there. It says to go ahead and take, which is what I did. Takes. He moves his queen out. King up. I thought about doing this during the game. I really didn't want to. I really wanted to end up castling, but I couldn't anyway. What I did was so much worse. Yeah, right there I dropped 3 points. Dropped nearly 3 points right there when he does that. I still wanted to protect, and I didn't see the rook. I played too quick. I had 9 minutes on the clock, and I didn't think. Learn from this. Do not move hastily in your openings. Look from black side or your opponent's side what they can do. Clearly, it can help. All right, that's all I got today, guys. Have a good one. Like, subscribe. Let me know what you think.